Hello, my name is Kendall, and I'm a senior, and today I'll be making a layer brownie.
So Kendall is my #1 student. She is my top tier student from day one. She has amazed me. She has cultivated some of the stuff that I have given her. She has taught me some things, and I am very proud of her.
I've always loved chocolate, and brownies they make me happy inside. So for the first brownie part, you combine cocoa powder, flour, and sugar, vanilla extract, butter, a little bit of cinnamon and honey and lemon, and a bowl. Mix all the ingredients together, and then you'll bake it for about 20 minutes on 400. And then for the whipped cream part, I have heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon. And I combine that in the bowl. And then once it reach a peak, then I have crushed up Oreos that I'll put inside the whipped cream. I made a strawberry raspberry preserve. It has strawberries, raspberries, sugar, a little bit of water, and lemon, and a little bit of cinnamon. Shout out to my grandma. I accidentally forgot my raspberry strawberry filling, and she brought it up, and she was excited. She was like, "This is like the main ingredient," because it really is. Like, it's so fruity. It just helps you layer the brownie, whipped cream, strawberry, brownie, whipped cream, strawberry, and then that's it. I love brownies, and I love the strawberry and raspberries together. So it just tastes so good. It's light and airy.
I'll taste it from this side. I want to taste it once, so we're double dipping. So what do we have, Kendall?
You have the brownie, and then the next layer is whipped cream with Oreos and raspberry strawberry preserve.
Okay. It's crazy that I taste the cinnamon first and the chocolate last. But we have so much chocolate in there with the chocolate brownie and then with the Oreo. But chocolate is the last note that I taste. Okay, but the cinnamon hit me off the rip. Like, boom, it just hit me. That is good, boo.
Thank you.
That's good. So the only critique that I would have is for the preserve is that you cooked it, right?
A little bit, yeah.
Then the next time you make it, you should put a tad of cornstarch in it. Or gelatin.
Okay.
So that was the gelatin.
I think I might do the gelatin until it's like a strawberry.
Yep. And you get strawberry gelatin and put it together and then layer it like that.
Yeah.
But A+.
Okay.
High five up top. Good job.